Watch this before you buy Botpress, because Botpress looks like the perfect AI chatbot platform, but depending on who you are, it can either be an amazing choice or a complete waste of time. I've been creating chatbots for over 6 years, tested more than 200 platforms, and Botpress is one of the most powerful tools out there, but it's also one of the easiest tools to spend way too much time on if you don't need all of that power. So in this video, I will break down what Botpress is great at, where it falls short, and when you should and shouldn't use this. Let's dive in. So let's start with what Botpress is really good at. Botpress is one of the best platforms to create advanced AI support chatbots. If you need a platform that can automatically answer questions, handle complex flows, and feel smart, this is where Botpress shines. Botpress offers a lot of built-in AI tools. So with Botpress, you can train an AI on your website or on documents, and then it can automatically answer questions. You can control how it replies, including tone and personality. It can automatically summarize conversations. It can understand images that users are sending, and you can reply in almost any language because it can automatically translate your chatbot in the user's language as well. And this makes Botpress one of the most advanced AI chatbot platforms on the market. And on top of that, you also get a flow builder. So you're not only relying on AI, you can use structured chatbot flows as well. And within the flow builder, you can send images, collect data from users, but also connect it to other tools by using integrations. And you can build your chatbot in two different ways. First, you can create structured chatbot flows and then add AI where it makes sense, or you can create a fully AI-driven chatbot. And you can do that in Botpress with the autonomous node. With this node, you can just give it information about your business, give it access to a knowledge base, and give it a set of actions. And then the AI decides, based on the conversation, what to say and what actions to trigger. And this is really powerful because you can go AI first with some flows, or you can go flow first with some AI. Whatever you prefer, Botpress supports both. And Botpress also connects really well with other tools. It has over 100 direct integrations with AI tools like ChatGPT and Cloud, e-commerce platforms like Shopify, and marketing platforms like MailChimp. And you only have to build your chatbot once, and then you can publish this across many channels. You can easily add it to your website, WhatsApp, Instagram, and 9 other channels. And if you want to use Botpress for customer support, it also comes with a built-in live chat. So whenever your AI doesn't know the answer to a question, you can always hand over the conversation to a human agent. And just keep in mind, this live chat is only available on the $89 a month plan. Speaking about pricing, how much does Botpress actually cost? And Botpress comes with a free plan and a pay plan that starts at low as $5 a month. So with the free plan, you can use all of the features in the platform. It gives you one bot and it gives you 500 messages per month. And then if you want more, Botpress offers pay-as-you-go pricing, and that allows you to fully tailor your Botpress plan to your own needs. For example, if you want to add an extra bot, that costs $1 a month. If you want to have 5,000 extra messages, that costs $10 a month. And if you want to add 1 GB of storage, that is $10 a month as well. And next to that, Botpress also offers higher plans such as the Plus plan, which starts at $89 a month. And these give you access to things like live chat handoff, removing the Botpress branding from the website widget, and conversation insights. But there are also some drawbacks of Botpress. The biggest drawback of Botpress is the high learning curve. If you don't have any experience with chatbot logic, AI prompts, or structured chatbot flows, Botpress can feel overwhelming. And sometimes simple things can actually be pretty complicated. For example, if you want to check in your chatbot if you already have someone's email, then in Botpress you need to create an expression. But expressions in Botpress are written in JavaScript code. If you're a developer, no problem at all. But if you don't have any coding experience, this can slow you down a lot. And then you end up spending way more time figuring out how to do stuff instead of focusing on what you actually want to achieve. And then the second biggest drawback is that Botpress isn't built for marketing automation. So if you're looking for a platform where you can automatically reply to comments on Instagram and Facebook and then turn those people into leads and customers, Botpress isn't the best tool for that. And that brings us to the verdict: should you use Botpress to to create your AI chatbots? And the answer is yes. Botpress is a great platform if you want to create advanced AI support chatbots and you're okay with spending a little more time on setting things up. It offers a great suite of AI tools, it has many integration, it offers many channels, and it also offers a flow builder and live chat. But if you want to build a few simple automations or your main goal is lead generation on social media, there might be simpler tools out there. If you're convinced, you can just go to the link in the description and there you will find my link to get started with Botpress. And full disclaimer, this is an affiliate link, but it doesn't have any influence on the price you pay, and it definitely helps me with creating free videos like these. And if you want to get started with Botpress right now, you should check out this next video where I will show you how you can build your first AI chatbot step by step.